We'll start by selecting the ideal cantaloupe variety. Home garden-friendly varieties like Hale's Best and Ambrosia are renowned for their sweetness and adaptability to backyard growth. These varieties will surely reward your effort with their delicious fruits. Next, we'll delve into soil preparation. Cantaloupes thrive in well-drained soil enriched with organic matter. Incorporate compost into your soil to ensure it's nutrient-rich and ready to nurture your cantaloupe plants. And remember, a sunny spot with 6 to 8 hours of daylight is a must for your cantaloupes. Now, let's talk about planting. Space your cantaloupe seedlings about 2 feet apart to allow for adequate growth. After planting, give them a good soak to encourage root establishment. Mulching is another critical step. It helps retain soil moisture and keep those pesky weeds at bay. Organic mulch like straw or shredded leaves is a great choice. Just remember to leave the stems clear while applying it. Watering is pivotal, especially during the flowering and fruiting stages. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist without overwatering, which could lead to root rot. Morning watering at the base of the plants can help prevent fungal diseases. If space is limited or you wish to keep your fruits off the ground, a trellis is an excellent solution. Training the vines to climb up the trellis not only saves space but also helps prevent fruit rot. As your cantaloupes develop, keep an eye out for pests or diseases and take appropriate steps to manage them. Feeding your plants with a balanced fertilizer every few weeks can also give them a much-needed boost. The moment of truth arrives when it's time for harvesting. A sweet aroma and a stem that detaches with a gentle twist indicate that your cantaloupes are ready to be enjoyed. To summarize, growing cantaloupes at home involves selecting the right variety, preparing the soil, planting, mulching, watering, and finally harvesting your ripe, sweet fruits. It's a delightful journey that rewards not just with the fruits themselves, but also with the joy and satisfaction of nurturing life in your garden. So, why not give it a try? Happy gardening!